Watch the clearance on the left side.
Confirmed. Moving slowly.
Set it down by section 4.
Die Qualität der Haare ist ausgezeichnet. Stellen Sie sicher, dass die Chargennummer erfasst wird.
Ja, wir haben alles dokumentiert.
Here is more plastic packaging in this bundle.
Yes, and some paper over here. Ensure it is placed in the red bin.
Batch 7 is cleared. Confirmed. Logging the data.
Überprüfen Sie Charge 42. Die Proteinwerte schwanken.
Ja, ich sehe das. Die Eingabetemperatur ist jedoch stabil.
Ensure the flow meter is calibrated correctly. Confirmed. The readings match the manifest. Sector 4, all clear. The protein sequencing aligns with the required grade.
Material consistency is uniform across the bale.
Confirmed. We can authorize processing for this batch. Check the pressure on gauge 3. It's slightly high. Yes, I see that. The flow rate seems stable though. The conductivity levels in the rinse cycle are stabilizing now. Good. The fibers look clean and ready for drying. The materials are progressing well through the rinse cycle. Agreed. The turbidity is within acceptable parameters.
Are these aluminum compounds from the deodorant residue? Yes, the magnification confirms the crystalline structure we observed earlier.
All parameters are within the defined limits. The biological process is stable.
Confirmed. The cleaning efficiency is verified.
Check the pressure levels on gauge 3.
Readings are stable, within tolerance. Let's move to the next unit. The temperature is stable at 135 degrees Celsius. Good.
We are cleared for the depressurization sequence.
I am initiating the sterilization cycle now.
The physical gauge matches the digital readout. Everything is within tolerance.
Look at this result here. It's inconsistent.
Yes, the spore tests show a deviation from the norm.
The output appears consistent with the parameters.
Data confirms the efficiency rate. We can proceed.
The particle size looks consistent here.
Yes, very uniform. Let's monitor the temperature readings at the next junction.
Seal is secure. Confirmed. Ready for transfer. The pressure on gauge 3 is slightly high.
I just calibrated the flow regulator. It should stabilize now.
Die Temperatur ist stabil bei 37 Grad Celsius. Die Zersetzungsrate ist optimal. Bestätigt. Ich protokolliere den Status. Check the parameters here. We are seeing peak efficiency at this temperature.
Confirmed. All safety metrics remain well within the green zone.
We have a critical fluctuation in the oxygen levels here.
I am adjusting the nutrient flow rate immediately.
Ensure the processed hair intake matches the target flow rate. Adjusting the feed now. All parameters are stable. Sample 4B secured.
Confirmed. Ready for analysis.
The organic carbon reading is slightly above the threshold.
I see that here on the printout. We should rerun the potassium sequence to be sure.
Looks like the nitrogen levels are stabilizing within the acceptable range.
Yeah, quality verified. Preparing the next sample.
Consistency is good, but check the moisture here.
It's within tolerance. I will record it now.
Die Chargennummer stimmt mit den Daten überein.
Ausgezeichnet. Wir können die Zertifizierung jetzt stempeln. Refrigerants. Utilizing advanced carrot technology, this facility transforms recycled hair into high...
Check the flow rate on line 3.
Flow rate adjusted. Pressure stabilizing now. Check the seals on line 3. Make sure they meet the standard.
Looks good. Proceed.
Check the alignment on row 3. Make sure the sensor is clear.
Achtung bitte, die Paletten müssen dort drüben hin und achten Sie auf die Sicherheitsschuhe. Check the Brix level on these lower fruits.
Running the analysis now. The organic program is definitely working.
Check the nitrogen levels on sector 4.
Looks stable, within the parameters.
This new bioreactor design significantly reduces waste in the production cycle.
And the nutrient recovery rate?
We're seeing efficiency gains of up to 20%.
As you can see on the display, the keratin is broken down in the bioreactor, completing the transformation into agricultural nutrients.
The nitrogen uptake is significantly higher in this row. The hair pellets are working better than expected.
Data confirms optimal growth conditions.
As you can see, the closed-loop system processes the biomass efficiently, achieving a 95% nutrient recovery rate.
The reflective vests are mandatory under German safety protocols.
And the organic certification.
We utilize a closed-loop system.
We've successfully transformed the salon waste into this high-quality, nutrient-rich fertilizer.
It's a true showcase of sustainable, circular industrial practice.